Good morning, Mom and Sir. My name is Mary Grace Hayap Anselmo. I'm a married woman. I'm a mother of 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. My first son is 27 years old. My second son is 26 years old. My daughter is 21 years old. I'm 43 years old now, Mom and Sir. I've been working as a domestic helper at 8 years in my employer. My previous employer actually had their own children move out because they already have their own family, and that's why they don't want to renew again my contract to them. I had a lot of experience to them, Mom and Sir, like cleaning the house, cleaning the bathroom and toilet, ironing, laundry, car wash, go to market to buy food and groceries for them. I know how to cooking, Mom and Sir, especially Filipino food, Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn more about cooking. And I can work with co-worker, Mom and Sir. And I'm a positive person. I'm a polite and I'm a honest person, Mom and Sir. So that's why I stay my Mom and Sir at 8 years. If you want me to work in your family, Mom and Sir, I promise you that I'm honest and polite in your family. That's all, Mom and Sir, and thank you, and have a good health to you every day, and have a nice day to you. That's all. Thank you.